people want to do their own home inspection. Obviously, it is up to each home buyer whether or not they get a home inspection. But buyer beware. A home inspection is designed to protect you and to have a trained individual call out items that may otherwise be missed. A home inspector is not only an objective point of view, but he specializes in finding defects in a home, something that takes a great deal of experience and skill. Also, most home inspections cost relatively little compared to the many thousands of dollars that buyers save using an objective report from a professional inspector during negotiations. In some cases, a large defect may be discovered that may have to be fixed or may allow you to walk away from the home if it is too large of an issue for you to take on. So before you decide to do your own home inspection, contact us and see why so many continue to choose us as their home inspector.